Located in Guangzhou City, Guangzhou Guanhong Cosmetics Company Limited is a factory and professional manufacturer of dip powder products in China. Guanhong Cosmetics Company Limited is specialized in OEM, ODM dipping powder nail system. Our main products include dip powder, 3-in-1 color match, gel polish and nail lacquer, 2-in-1 powder, and fast-drying dip powder. We can customize private label for your brand. Moreover, we have over 2,000 colors for your choice, including nude colors, pink and white colors, glitter colors, and neon colors. Our dip powder colors is perfect for all kinds of dip nails art. Under strict quality control management, our product's superior quality is guaranteed up to USA standards and European standards. All of our products are healthy and eco-friendly, non-toxic, MEHQ-free, HQ-free, and formaldehyde-free. They are tested and certified by CPSR, REACH, ROSE, and are greatly welcomed in global market. Our company has strong capability to do research and development. Therefore, we can continually update and upgrade our products to meet the latest trend in dip nails. Based on the principle of win-win cooperation, we would offer reliable quality, competitive price, and considerable service to you so that you can expand your business and win new market opportunity in a short time. Welcome to visit our factory.